In this lesson, we can study the LCM. What is LCM? The lowest common multiples. आपको पता है multiples क्या है? ओके ओके इसमें LCM फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दो मेथड है. एक प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड है, दूसरा डिविजन मेथड है. इसी आज हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से कैसा LCM फाइंड आउट करना वो पढ़ना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर ये 20 एंड 30 इसका LCM फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द LCM ऑफ 20 एंड 30? क्या करना चाहिए? 20 पहले 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 2 से डिवाइड करना है तो क्या मिलेगा? 10 मिलेगा. 10 डिवाइड बाई 2 5. 5 इज ए प्राइम नंबर, सो 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Second is a 30. 30 by 2 is a 15. 15 से 2 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता है, इसे 3 से डिवाइड करना है. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 is a prime number, so 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Look at it, 2 into 2 into 5. And 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. इसमें कॉमन multiples a 2 and 2 are common and 5 and 5 are common, so we round 2 and 5. इसके बाद में क्या करना है? We want to find out the LCM. How to find out the LCM? LCM of 20 and 30. ये राउंड का कॉमन मल्टीपल्स क्या करना चाहिए? कॉमन मल्टीपल्स एक बार लिखना चाहिए. लुक एट हियर, 2 into 2 into 5. नीचे वाला 2 नहीं लिखता है. इसके बाद में क्या है? 3 लिखा है. इसके बाद में 5 नहीं लिखना है, एक बार लिखना चाहिए. सो 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 into 3 is equal to 60. So LCM of 20 and 30 is equal to 60. Next question is B. 24 and 90. Find out the LCM of 24 and 90. पहले 24 को हम फैक्टराइजेशन करता है. 24 बाई 2 इज 12. 12 टू सा 24. 12 से 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? 6 मिलेगा. 6 टू सा 12. 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करना हमको 3 मिलेगा. 3 टू सा 6. 3 is a prime number, so 3 by 3 is 1. Then 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 45 we cannot divide by 2, so we will divide by 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 3s are 45. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 3s are 15. So 5 is a prime number, so 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Look at it, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 is common. Then 3 is also common. So we round up them. Then look at how to write the LCM of 24 and 90. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. this ऊपर वाला 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. इसके बाद में क्या लिखना है? ये राउंड अप वाला नहीं लिखना, एक की बार लिखना चाहिए. सो ये दोनों नहीं लिखना है. इसके बाद में 3 into 5. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 into 3 is 72. 72 into 5 is equal to 360. So LCM of 24 and 90 is equal to 360. Look at the next question. 56 and 72. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 28 into 2 is 56. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 to 14. 7 is a prime number, so 7 by 7 is equal to 1. When the prime number will come, we will stop the factorization. Then 72. 72 by 2 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 9 we cannot find out, divide by 2. So we will divide by 3. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. 3 is a prime number, so we are stopping. 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. And 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So first 3's are common. So we round up these 3 numbers. Then 7, 3, 5. So write a LCM of 56 and 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. नीचे वाला नहीं लिख रहे हैं, तो एक बार लिखना चाहिए. इसके बाद में क्या आएगा? 2 into 7 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 into 56 into 3 is equal to 168. 168. 168 into 3 is equal to 3 is a 24, remainder 2, 3, 18, 3, 6 are 18, plus 2, 20, 5, 2, 5 ones are 5, 5, 3 is a 24, 3, 6 are 18, plus 2 is 20, remainder 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 504. So LCM of 56 and 72 is equal to 504. Then question number D. 60 and 88. 66 and 88. 66 divided by 2 is equal to 33. 33 we cannot divide by 2. So we divided by 3. 11 3s are 33. So 11 is a prime number. So 11 divided by 11 is equal to 1. Then 88. 88 divided by 2 is equal to 44. 44 divided by 2 is equal to 22. 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11. 11 is a prime number. So 11 by 11 is equal to 1. So 66 is equal to 2 into 3 into 11. And 88 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So 2 and 11 are common. So they round up. Then what is LCM of 66 and 88? 2 into 3 into 11 into 2 into 2. नीचे वाला 2 into, ये दोनों नहीं लिखना. 2 into 2. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 11 is 66. 66 into 2 is 132. 132 into 2 is equal to 264. 264. This is the answer. LCM of 66 and 88 is equal to 264. That is the LCM. Then we can study the next method, division method, in the coming lessons.